Hi there, my name's Lisa. The most common way to connect verbs in English is with the connector to. I need to go, I want to eat. Let's look at some examples. I need to clean the house. She needs to clean the house. Remember, I need, you need, she needs. She needs to clean the house. And let's talk about the pronunciation. To is not stressed. We pronounce it as t, need to. I need to clean the house. She needs to clean the house. Let's practice. Does she need to clean the house? That's right. She needs to clean the house. Want to. I want to eat. I want to go for a walk. I want to watch TV. There are two ways to pronounce want to. Sometimes we don't pronounce t and we say wanna. I want to eat a burger. Do you want to eat a burger? Great job. Or, to is not stressed. We pronounce it as ta, want to. I want to go for a walk. Do you want to go for a walk? Does he want to go for a walk? That's right. He wants to go for a walk. Great job. So remember, the most common way to connect verbs in English is with the connector to. I need to go, I want to eat. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and practice speaking English, subscribe to our channel. Bye!